So I just saw one of those videos on YouTube where nobody talks and they just kind of point at stuff. And this time they were doing it to peppers, whether you should buy a pepper with 3 bumps or 4. And it kind of looks like this. Well, guess what? It doesn't matter. One isn't sweeter than the other. Peppers don't have a gender. Uh, 3 bumps doesn't mean female. 4 bumps doesn't mean male, or vice versa. Sometimes you'll find them with 2. Sometimes you'll find them with 5. It doesn't matter. Pick the pepper. It's not going to matter with the sweetness. It's not going to matter how it cooks. It's all growing conditions, how it was grown, how much sunlight, how just growing conditions in general. But one of the things to look out for is checking the top of the pepper itself to see if it's firm. You don't want a pepper that has any kind of squishiness on top, because that means it's past its prime, and you just don't want it. You want a nice firm um, rim around the edge. If you're looking for a sweeter pepper, then you want to pick something other than green, because green is going to be the least sweet out of all of them. So that's it. Check for firmness, cut them up, cook them, eat them, enjoy. Thanks for watching.